Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're cooking 7 poached eggs in our cast iron skillet. So let's get started. Okay, for our poached eggs, we're going to need 7 slices of toast, and we're going to use our cookie cutter again here. Yep. And we're going to use one of the ones here in the middle here, probably one of these rings here, and I'll show you what we do with those. Yeah, we're going to take our egg bite mold here and we're going to use our cookie cutter and we size it up on one of the rings there, just like that. Make sure it's a little bit bigger. And then we use this to cut out our toast. Yeah, now I'm going to show you a little trick here. We're going to use one of these pot holders. They're silicone matte type with the little honeycomb design. And when you put that down there and you put your toast on top, it gives a little so that your cookie cutter can cut through it easier. You just kind of rock it around, push down. You just push down, give it a little twist, and out it comes. Just like that. There you go. Perfect. Just push down, give it a little twist. That's 2. Now we just have to do 5 more. Give it a little twist. And there you have it. Beautiful little tiny little disc shaped toast. Perfect for our poached eggs. Now we're going to save these because we're going to use them. Okay. There we have it, our toast for our poached eggs. Yeah, to cook our 7 poached eggs in our cast iron skillet, we're going to need this egg bite mold here that came with our accessory kit for the Instant Pot. And it also comes with a lid. It's a silicone lid you can use, but we're not going to use that. We're going to also use this. It's an egg trivet that came with that accessory kit. You can use it for hard-boiled eggs, but we're going to put our mold right on there like that and make it easier to get it out of the pan. You can just grab onto it, you know, and pull it right up and out of the pan. There you go. And now all we have to do is get our eggs and oil these up and get ready to start cooking. Okay, now we're going to put a little oil in each one of these little cups. Okay, I'm going to spread that around a little bit, make sure they're coated good. Did I get this one? Yep. Okay, now we're going to crack some grade A large eggs right out of the refrigerator. Okay, now all we have to do is get our cast iron skillet ready and start cooking. That sounds good. Okay, we're going to set our burner to medium low and we're going to add 1.5 cups of water to the pan. And we're going to let that start to simmer. Okay, our pan's starting to simmer here, so we're going to add our eggs. Put them right in there just like this, using our handy trivet there for the eggs. And we're going to go ahead and cover them and let them cook for about 3 minutes. And give them a check. Keep an eye on our yolks and all that. Okay, let's give them a check. It's been 3 minutes. Oh yeah, okay, they're pretty good. Let's shut off our burner and let's get them out of there. Put them aside and just let them rest a minute. Now all we have to do is put them on some toast. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, we'll just put our toast right on top. Just like that. Okay, that looks good. Let's put this where you can see it better. There you go. Alright, now we're going to take our plate here and we're going to turn it right upside down. And we're going to put it right on top of there and we're going to flip them over. And hopefully they all come out. You know? So let's give them a little jiggle. Give them a squeeze. Oh, there you go. We got them all. Alright, look at that. You see that? Wow, that one in the front there is soft. That's soft right there. Definitely. Alright, let's go ahead and put a little salt on there. And a little bit of pepper. And boy, is that one soft right there. Look how jiggle they are. They're jiggly. Yep. Okay. Let's cut this one open and see how it is. Oh, wow. Boy, that one was really soft. Nice and soft. Yep. Beautiful. Now you can go ahead and pick these right up if you want. And you can put them right on your toast. Just like that. So let's get a plate and do that. Just like that. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Can you see it? Boy, is that soft. Beautiful poached egg right there. Really nice. Well, there you have it, guys. 7 nice poached eggs in our cast iron skillet. Beautiful right there. Alright, let me spin this around so you can see it better. Look at that. Boy, that one was soft. Can you see it? Okay, let's get into this one right here. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful right there. See how soft it is? Boy, do they look good. Yep. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? A nice pot of coffee. And invite some neighbors over. Okay. That sounds good. Okay, our pan's starting to simmer here, so we're going to add our eggs. Put them right in there just like this. Cover them and let them cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, let's give them a check. It's been 3 minutes. Let's shut off our burner and let's get them out of there. Put them aside and just let them rest a minute. Now all we have to do is put them on some toast. Oh, there you go. We got them all. Alright, look at that. You see that? Wow, that one in the front there is soft. That's soft right there.